Guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can add a birthday to the Google Calendar. So we need to start from opening the Google Calendar, of course, and now just click on the plus and decide that you want to make it like an event or just as a reminder. So I'm gonna take the event, and now just type the title for your event, choose the day for it, click OK, and choose the time that you want to get the notifications. Now you can add the people to share this event with the other, and you can also add a location if you're making the party, for example, and decide how many minutes before you want to get the notification. You can also add a description and change the color to make it more specific in your calendar. Now just click on the save, and now we have a John birthday in our calendar. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe and a comment, and goodbye.